Hey guys, good morning guys. Hello everyone. Welcome to Richard Mechanic Vlog. Alright. Today is Monday, July 8, 2024. And here we go. Here we go again in this Marina Mall area. As you can see my area. Who knows this area? Please comment down below. Marina Mall area. Right. And shout out to all my colleagues. Tropang is good, right? Tropang is good. Shout out to Glenn, Dio, Paring Lance. Guys, hey guys. So. Okay, behind me is Emirates Palace. Oh, Emirates Palace, and this People's Park along the Marina Mall area, and that is Abu Dhabi City, right? Abu Dhabi City. Okay, the view here around now. Time check 7:50 p.m. And in front of me is the bike with what we have is a HPC Revolution X from HPC, high powered cycles. Right. This HPC is one of the best electric bike, or let's say motorbike, because you can use as a electric and you can use as a bike, because as you can see there's a pedal on it. With the power of 7,000 watts hub motor, and the wheels is 26 inches by 2.7 by Kenda Navigal, 26 by 2.7, and hub motor. This one Revolution X 7.0 from, and see Revolution serial number 0013 power, right? So there's a serial number on it, and using the SRAM 10 speed XO 10 speed. Also the rear shocks is from DBO. Guys, I need to change these tires, but still not arrived. Oh, wow. Helmet. Like that. See some cracks on my wheels now. On my wheels you can see the cracks. You see the cracks? So I ordered one pair for Schwalbe, from Schwalbe. Okay, so I'm still waiting that one to replace this tire. Okay. See also the cracks around. You see the cracks around on the bike. And guys, this is a torsion bar, torsion arc. It's a carbon fiber. All accessories on this bike is special and quality. MT7 Magura brakes. And guys, this we have now 84 volts remaining, and kilometer, watt-hour kilometer origin maximum 2 hours now 18 minutes 6 seconds, and total kilometer is 53 now, total age 22. So you can see the speed in the volts, watt hours, and the ampere of the what you are taking out from the battery. So it will show here. Okay. And of course we are using the Kervol helmet, and this for goggles for KTM. KTM light. Alright. Yes. Alright. So why my camera is stuck now? Oh, still no. Like that. Alright. Okay, once again, good morning guys. If you know this bike, please comment below. Can also post below your bikes also. It's same with this one if you want. Alright. So that's it is PC Revolution X. Fast bike, high torque, high speed, and let me show you guys. There's overdrive gear. This is overdrive gear. Just push this one, it will overdrive. Right? Overdrive. Push button. Okay guys, it's time to finish this video and let's go home for work now. Okay, work, and next video just please like and subscribe, and I will give you update and more videos on this bike. And I have also one bike there, Boltaco Brinco, so I'm making videos also on that bike. Okay, God bless. Bye bye.